name is Frank Janssens. I'm from John Cockerill Defense Weapon System, the General Manager, and we are proud to be here at FEINDEF 2025 in Madrid. We are currently showcasing one version of the 3000 turret family. It's a modular family of turrets which can be integrated by 105 guns, 30 or 40 millimeter. In this specific case, we showcase the 3030 Cockerill 3030 version. We have two sight systems to allow 100 killer capability. This product is what we call a MODS product, military off the shelf. It's fully qualified. We have sold several hundreds of this type of turrets worldwide. So it's battle proven. So I think this is a very good solution to support defense forces all over the world. We are supporting different defense forces within Spain. We are in contact with land forces, but also with the Marines. We think, once again, this is a very good solution for modern warfare. Lessons learned in Ukraine. We need counter UAS, anti-drone. This turret has anti-drone capability with airburst ammunition. A unique feature of this turret is that we can put 255 rounds inside the turret. I think the competition is not being capable of doing that. And once again, the big advantage of this turret, it's fully qualified, it's mods, it has been sold for several hundreds of units. We have a very long historical relationship with FNSS. In the 80s, 40 years ago, we built the M113 vehicles based on a license from that time UDLP, now BAE Systems. Afterwards, the Turkish government decided also to procure those type of vehicles, and it was John Cockerill who transferred the technology from Belgium to FNSS in Ankara. So we have a very long historical relationship with FNSS. That's the first reason. Second reason, we secured together some contracts, for example, in the Far East. So we have a relationship of collaboration. We also think we have good opportunities in Spain, but also in other countries to work with them. They have a full suite of vehicles, 6x6, 8x8 and tracked. We have a full suite of weapon systems, turrets, from 25, 30, 40, 90, 105 up to 120. We need a platform, and we think that FNSS can provide us those platforms to put our weapon systems on.
We are at the FNSS stand at FEINDEF exhibition in Spain. So we are here showcasing our new capabilities, which is the new PARS 6x6. This is the alpha configuration, which was actually lately has been selected by the Turkish Armed Forces. In the coming future, we will be building and delivering these 6x6 vehicle configurations for the Turkish Armed Forces. So here, we have been able to showcase for the first time this 6x6 concept of the PARS Alpha, but newly we will have the John Cockerill turret, which is a 30mm turret, two-man turret with the John Cockerill here specific for Spain. And behind this model, we also have the PARS 3, the third generation, the PARS 3 6x6 vehicle, which you will see there is no turret on that vehicle. So we would just like to showcase the capability that this two-man turret also can be fitted to the PARS 3 configuration as well, and as well as the PARS Alpha. The biggest difference between the PARS Alpha and the PARS 3 is the features with the survivability, mobility, and also the interior volume and exterior volume of the vehicle. So this is more low silhouette, and we provide more volume inside the vehicle. We will be also able to carry different type of weapon systems. It could be from 30mm to 40mm automatic cannons or medium caliber weapon systems as well. For the 8x8 configurations, we can carry more heavier turrets, such as the 105, again from the John Cockerill. We can carry the 105 with the 8x8 PARS Alpha. Together with that, we can also install a 120 if required by any customer. Together with all these, we are also showcasing all our other capabilities besides the armored fighting vehicles and the fire support vehicles, because as FNSS, we also provide combat engineering vehicles, tracked vehicles, which could be from starting from the 15 tons to 35 tons. Lately, we had delivered the Harimau Kaplan tank to the Indonesian Armed Forces with the 105 from John Cockerill. That's a tracked vehicle. And also we built platforms for the anti-aircraft weapon systems, especially one was from the Aselsan, the Korkut and the Hisar, all the medium range and low range turrets. Those platforms are also built by FNSS and delivered to the Turkish Armed Forces. So most of the frontline armored fighting vehicles and armored platforms, which is infantry, including Turkish Armed Forces and also friendly and allied armies, mostly are delivered by FNSS nowadays. So thank you so much for visiting FNSS stand and hope we meet again on the next show.